Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how to tell if the O-ring is bad on a pump. And so the O-ring is going to be right underneath the lid, and there's a simple test that you can do, and it's going to tell you one of two things. It's going to tell you the O-ring's either dirty or it needs to be replaced. When it's dirty, or if it needs to be replaced, what's going to happen is there's going to be air that actually gets into the line, comes back to the pool and takes away from the prime. And sometimes they'll get so bad that the pool will not prime at all. So I'm going to show you that tip here, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to come over here, and I want you to look at this. Now I already kind of know what's going on with this one. I've already diagnosed it, but I want to show you. This is how easy it is to know if it's dirty or needs to be replaced. Okay, this is how simple it is. You're going to turn it off, and if you notice, there was some water that squirted out from there. Let me see if I can get it to do it again. Okay, look real close. See how that squirts out? Well, I've already checked this O-ring. And this actually needs to be replaced. As you can see, it's hard to tell probably in this video, but it's definitely in need of replacement. So I'm going to see about grabbing one and putting one on. I always carry them in the truck, and I do that on purpose because I run into these all the time. But what happens is it's going to be drawing in air right there. And by the way, it's best to prime these with a bucket of water. This one seems to prime fairly fast, so I'm not actually going to do that. But you do not want to over tighten it, but you don't want to under tighten it. It's kind of in between. But like I said, when they're dirty or they need to be replaced, it's going to be sucking in air, and that's going to take away from your prime. So I just wanted to give you this quick tip. If you want more tips like this, please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. That'll help me out a lot for people to find my page. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.